I mean, historically, I've definitely been more of like a night owl. But lately, I've been going to bed earlier, which then means I'm waking up earlier, and I'm going for early morning walks these days just to kind of wake up my mind and my body, and just feeling more healthy, which is a nice change. Weird one, but for sure a nice one. Does anyone sit in the chair like this? Or is it just me? I don't know why, but I find this position extremely satisfying. I don't know where it came from. I don't know where I saw it, if I saw it, if it came to me in a dream. I love sitting like this. Does it make me look psychotic? Absolutely. Do I care? Absolutely not. I'm going to the Canary Islands this weekend. There's multiple, obviously, but we're going to the one that's called Fuerteventura. And we're going for a friend's birthday, but it's also carnaval, so should be interesting. I haven't really gone out or stayed out late since before Thanksgiving, I think. So it's been a hot minute since I've stayed out to the wee hours of the morning, although it's very calm in here, so, and by here I mean Spain. I'm kind of really used to going to bed early though. So we'll see how it goes. So my mom is a teacher, and for the holidays, I want to say about 65% of her students will get her Starbucks cards, like without fail. And she's not really a Starbucks girly, so she likes to pass those off to me, which I fully appreciate. I will take them. However, Starbucks isn't good. So usually the only time I drink Starbucks is at the airport. It's the only time it's worth it, because then you can buy your bottle of water, you can buy your pop tips, whatever. It's really hard to find Starbucks in your airports. Like, if they have it, it's only in one terminal or in one section of the airport, and I sadly have been sitting on about $40 worth of gift cards from Starbucks. Oh well. rental car, but finally made it.
Y se tiene que pasar el video. Uno sonríe. Estoy haciendo un video paso a paso, mamá.
Okay. Ready?
What do I have to do?
Meet the bachelors. Bachelor number 1. Name, please.
My name is Rodolfo. I'm 25 years old. Tomorrow I'm gonna be 26. I'm single. I have a nice job. Well, I do some money, and I'm free and young.
And what is your idea of a perfect date?
Of what?
A perfect date.
My idea of a perfect day is going to your house, order some food, and play Mario Kart.
Are you sure you're turning 26? Okay.
My perfect day is going to Tierra Burrito. Thank you.
Bachelor number 2. What's your name?
I'm
Tell us about yourself.
Julio Simon from now on. I'm 25, still young. I can still ride the metro with a discount. I'm funny. I think.
You can make a guy laugh.
Yes.
And what is your idea of a perfect date?
Do not ghost me after.
That's a low bar, Julio.
Say, no, I can tell you the dates I don't like.
Okay.
I don't like.
That was not the question.
I don't like going to. I don't like going to the movies. Like we can talk. I don't care. I don't like going to the movies anyway. The park dates, as first dates, I don't like park dates. It's like, why are we walking without like a destination? I don't like it.
That's why you go to the park and you fuck there.
Yeah, exactly. Now I have a destination.
Let's keep this PG-13, kids. What is your idea of the perfect man?
It has to be smart.
Okay.
It has to be kind.
And important? No one got that one.
What?
No one got that movie reference. What's your idea of a perfect man?
It has to be kind. It has to be cute. It has to be fucking rich. It has to love me a lot. And it's a plus if he sells real estate.
Wow.
Hi, Sergio.
That's very specific.
Wow.
There you go, people.